Hello and welcome back for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Vechain chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And by first giving you a recap of what has been happening here on the Vechain chart since the 10th of June, where we saw this massive crash in a breakdown move that gave us a low at around the $0.01317 mark. We started a very nice recovery to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where we first peaked in that first wave to the upside, saw a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 2, fully maximizing minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using that red target area. Then we saw that pump in the formation of that wave 3, fully maximizing minimum target areas based on the trend-based Fibonacci's. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of that wave 4, then finally peaked in the formation of that wave 5, completing an even larger Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 1, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2. And that is the move that has been playing out here on the charts in the recent days, where you can see that we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move into our minimum target area highlighted on the charts using this red target area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618. And that is between the $0.01825 mark and the $0.01634 mark. And this is the area right here, which is an area that we have not yet fully maximized, though at some point we had seen a breakdown move into the target area. We didn't see a close within the target area, we just have a long wick into the target area. And as a result of that, there are two possible scenarios that I have in mind here on the Vechain chart that can play out. And the first one is that maybe this breakdown move that gave us a long wick into the target area has now given us the low for the second wave. And soon we might see a reaction of that, start an impulsive move to the upper side, and start the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 3. And for that to play out, we need to see Vechain first break above resistance at around the $0.2 mark, get a successful retest and continue gearing up, and also give us a break above the high for this larger Elliott wave count 1 at around the $0.021 mark. And the moment we manage to break above that, close above it and continue holding above the wave 1 high, then that is enough confirmation that we are now getting impulsive and the start of this wave 3 has now started, and giving you minimum target areas for that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the, that is the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That now gives me a minimum target area at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.0310 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. So the moment we see a break above resistance at around the $0.02 mark, see a break above $0.021 mark, which is the high for this larger Elliott wave count 1, then we can fully maximize our minimum target area at around the $0.031 mark. Alternatively, in case we continue holding below resistance and maybe at some point we also show some weakness, there are chances that Vechain might give us a bit of a breakdown move to the lower side, where we could maybe possibly lose our key area of support at around the $0.01798 mark. And if by any chance we lose that, maybe we can get a successful retest, continue breaking down, and fully maximize our red target area, which is the minimum breakdown target for this larger Elliott wave count 2. And that would be suggesting that there are chances that Vechain might give us one more leg down in the formation of this wave 2 before we can start gearing up in the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 3, which is impulsive. So those are the two possible scenarios that I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Vechain chart, and also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI. We are trading at around the 48 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you updated.